Hello, in this video I will show you how to edit Forneto event calendar via admin panel. So I will show you how to add new row and how to enter the data. So go to admin panel, then go to CMS static blocks, find Forneto event calendar, click on it, and now select the row, click right mouse click, row, click insert row after, and new row will be added. And then just type in what you need. Now let's check the front end. So this is the way how to add a new row. Now I will show you how to delete a row. Select the row, right mouse click, row, delete row, and that's it. So it is easy to add a new row and to delete rows and etc.